What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another day, another video. It's definitely been a minute. Things have been chaotic, you know, healing up from the shoulder and whatnot, so it's definitely been a little while since I've seen you guys. Appreciate you being here. Today we got something fun. If you remember a little while back, the last time we drove the Baja, it left us stranded. We had a broken stub axle in the back, left us on the side of the road for a couple hours till the tow truck arrived. So today we figure, I can kind of get back in and drive the Volkswagens a little bit now. I mean, you see, it's kind of moving, it's kind of doing okay. Let's jump in the Baja and see if we can make it to Cars and Coffee. I mean, worst that can happen is, well, you know, we don't, but we're gonna try. Because how else are you supposed to, I mean, what are you supposed to do? Gotta drive these cars. So that kind of brings me to today's video sponsor. Yeah, we got a video sponsor, guys. Pete from Air Cooled reached out to me and said, hey man, I want to offer all your viewers a discount to help get everybody wrenching and get these projects going. So through the end of the year, you know what? Roll that beautiful footage.
What up, Gary? VW Jawbreaker. Hope the surgically repaired shoulder is doing well. Hope to see you in some films soon. Want to extend an offer to you and your viewers for 10% off of quality drivetrain components at our website, aircooled.com, with coupon code Jawbreaker22. It's good only for December of this year. Make sure you use it. Let's get motivated. Let's get to building on these awesome cars and saving a couple dimes, a couple dollars. Let's see some more films from you, Gary. We need to see more, buddy. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Let's do it. Now back to the film.
Well, there you go, guys. So, without further ado, let's hop in this Baja and let's see how far we make it. I think my towing is still good. Not sure. Okay. Well, you know what? Maybe I just need to go ahead and start ordering some parts from Pete as well for all three of my Volkswagens. Let's get after this. Well, she's been sitting for quite a while. Let's give her a cold start. See what happens. I don't know. Is the battery any good? Did I hook it up? Huh, battery's good. Hope it's a neutral. You gotta be kidding me. Let's let it warm up and then we'll hit the road. Man, this thing's doing good so far.
It's been like a mile.
It's been 2 miles. Come on. It's called little victories. Does much better with those smaller tires. Still still a little sluggish for a stock motor, stock trans, but so far so good. She's running pretty good. I mean, we got leftover Hurricane gas in her with some Sta-Bil, so a couple-month-old gas. Seems to be happy. Yeah, I mean, as happy as a grumpy old car can be. Took that hill pretty good. I didn't even have to floor it. But I am going to hit the brakes to stop at this light.
Yeah, that might help.
Yeah, just, you know, a little. If people would go, that would be nice.
We got a little ram bar, it's fine.
I mean, green kind of means go.
Does it?
Well, it's supposed to. about almost 3 years ago today, is when we were driving down this road in Jawbreaker with the new 2054.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah.
We
Yeah.
hit the turn the way we just came back after that bridge. We're going back towards the house. That's where we got on it several times.
Yeah.
And that was our first big video.
That's true.
That is hilarious.
Yeah.
Time sure flies, man.
Yeah.
Hard to believe you're as old as you are now, and
Yeah.
as far as we've come with everything, had a lot of fun.
Yep.
It actually runs pretty stinking good.
Not bad for a stock blue motor and pretty big tires.
Yeah, definitely helps having the smaller tires than what came on it.
Yeah.
And they're not loud. These
No.
Amazon tires are actually pretty good. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I think the front tires, being those real aggressive tires, those are the ones that are louder than the rears. The rears are mud tires.
Yeah.
They got the sprinklers on for Hooters and Hotrods. Park up in there.
Yeah. Right in the ditch.
Pretty much what I was just thinking. There we go. We made it to Hooters and Hotrods in one piece. All like 12 miles. What do you think, man?
Did
Not a
pretty
bad
good.
ride.
Yeah, not bad.
Eh,
Pretty
did all
smooth
right.
for what it is.
That's true. She ain't perfectly dialed, but she's doing good. All right, let's go check out the other cars and see what's here. We just kind of took the ditch because, well, it's Baja, so. man. Well, we made it. Had a good time. Let's see if we can make it back home.
Yep.
What do you think? What's the odds we're gonna need our AAA card?
Hopefully slim.
Hopefully slim. I like those odds. All right, we're off. Well, I don't want to count all our chickens before they hatch, but we're almost home.
Yeah.
I mean, again, last time this thing left me stranded like 3 miles from home, so I don't want to count our chickens before we pull in the driveway, but...
Knock on wood.
What's up? Well, we made it. 24-mile round trip. Good to go. So you can't beat it. Good day. Starting to feel a little bit more confidence with this booger. Tell you what, the rear tires are really kind of nice. Something or another MT-01s from Amazon. Decent tire, really. Not very noisy. I like it. What do you think about today? Good day?
Yeah.
Good day. It's always fun having fun and hanging out with us. So guys, appreciate you coming along. Thanks so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you check out down in the description, Pete over at Air Cooled. Get yourself 10% off. Help him out, help yourself out. Get your projects on the road, get wrenching. We'll catch you guys later. Be good.